and welcome back for an articulation play along. You can do this exercise on any of the 4 notes we've learned on the head joint. I'm just going to stick to the open tube down the octave for now. As I've said before, everything is cumulative, so if you have trouble playing along with me, please back up and review the previous videos in this series to ensure that you're remembering good form in your breathing, head joint placement, embouchure formation, and articulation. So I've got my head joint rhythms PDF, which is linked in the show notes for you below. And I've got my favorite metronome app pulled up here because everything's better with the metronome. And I'm setting my quarter note beat to 72. So what I'd like to do is just play this first line together before we play through the whole page. But before we start, we're also going to take one beat with the metronome to fill up with air, just like you've been practicing in breathing gym. So I'll turn on my metronome, we'll do one beat to breathe, and then we'll come in and we'll just do this first line first. All right, hopefully you can hear that click. So when I say ready, go, we breathe for one beat, then we play the first line. And ready, go. Our first line. How was that? So I'd like to read through this whole page now, and we're going to keep building in breaths. So I want to play through each line of this page, but what isn't written on this page is 2 extra beats of rest in which you'll be filling up the whole time. So we'll play a line, we'll breathe for 2 beats on the metronome, filling up, and then we'll play the next line and we'll keep going like that. Hope this makes sense. I'm sure you'll catch on. So I'm starting again with 2 beats in first, and then I'm starting at line 1 again. I'm just going to keep going down the page. That's all there is to it, friends. In the next 2 videos, we'll put all of this together with pitch changes and play some actual tunes on the head joint. So make sure to keep practicing all of these skills that you have developed so far on your head joint for at least 5 minutes per day.